step right, left, out, 3 and 4. Step left together, right, left. Turn to the back, jump out, hip 3, 4, left, right, cha-cha, 7 and 8. Go 1, jump, 2 and 3 and 4, front 5. Take it out, left, right, lasso, then down, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, amazing job. Let's go up to tempo. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've got to step right, left, out, then left together, right, left. Turn to the back, hip, left, right, step, cha-cha, left, right, left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, down, left, right, lasso, then 5 turns. Amazing job. Let's try it without cueing.
Let's go. She was more like Ika. I'm talking about a killer. I put her on the mic, beat it up like Thriller. She the best friend, said bring one more. Another bad one. You already know for sure. Miami. These girls speak my language. Russian roulette, sexy. Body speaking Spanish. Damn, I love Miami. Damn, Miami loves me. Damn, I love Miami. There's nothing like you, trust me. I got big decisions. I got 2 brunettes and a blonde one. On the yacht getting butt booty naked. Nah, that's Miami.